Hey guys, we received this ONCAI women's flip-flops with rhinestone for test and try. It's really a support flip-flop and it can be used for your walking. It's like a thong sandals. So have this rubber soles. As you can see it here, nice packing. So let me just take out everything and show it to you. So the packing is really nice. Usually, I've seen a simple packing, not this much protective stuff. And this also have this rhinestone on the top of this flip-flop. So it's a nice, comfortable, thick sole. So comfortable on for your feet, and also nice flip-flop thing as you can see it here with a nice design. Looks really nice on the feet, and then comfortable in walking and things as well.